Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to change your YouTube channel name. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you don't like your current YouTube name where you want to go and rebrand it. We'll guide you through how this can be done so as to get started. Head to the top right of YouTube and press your profile icon, switch account if needed. Otherwise you can press view your channel in the top right like so. And you brought here, then what you can do is go and find the button and customize channel and go and click there. And we brought the channel customization page. We can then scroll down until you find the option, the name. Then what we can do is go and press edit channel name. In this case, as I'm verified, I will be losing it. I'll go and press proceed, and then what you can do is go and type in what you want your name to be. Consider. You can change your name twice in 14 days after you've entered it. You can then press publish in the top right, and that's it.